Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M2 versus a bike. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The BMW M2 boasts over 450 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds. In contrast, a high-performance road bike typically reaches speeds of around 30 miles per hour on flat ground. Clearly, the M2 offers significantly greater acceleration and a higher top speed, making it ideal for covering long distances quickly and efficiently. Next, let's consider the financial aspects of owning each. A brand new BMW M2 typically starts at over $60,000, and you can expect annual insurance premiums to be around $2,000. On the other hand, a good quality road bike might cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000, with very low yearly maintenance expenses. When you factor in fuel, potential repairs, and depreciation, the M2 presents a much higher, long-term financial commitment. Now, let's look at their impact on the environment and your health. The BMW M2, like all gasoline-powered vehicles, emits carbon dioxide and other pollutants, contributing to air quality issues. Conversely, bicycles are zero-emission vehicles, making them an environmentally friendly choice that promotes cleaner air and sustainable transportation. Furthermore, cycling provides excellent cardiovascular exercise, helping to improve your physical fitness and overall well-being. Finally, let's discuss practicality and how each fits into different lifestyles. The BMW M2 provides comfortable seating for up to 4 people and offers substantial cargo space, making it suitable for family trips or carrying groceries. Bikes, however, excel in urban environments for short commutes, allowing you to easily navigate traffic and find parking. They also offer a great way to stay active. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.